So today we are going to talk about the alphabet or the ABCs. The alphabet is something that we learn when we're 4 or 5 years old, usually with a song. Like I said, the alphabet is not spoken how the letters sound in words all of the time, but I want to go over the alphabet with you. So be sure to copy me and say all the letters with me. I will show the uppercase and lowercase letters so that you can learn how to read and write them. Are we ready to practice our ABCs? So be sure to say these with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now let's hear them all together. So I will say them one time each. If you remember, say them with me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABCs. Now it's time for a little quiz. Do you remember this letter? What is it? N. What about this letter? P. And this one, what is it? D. Last one, I think you'll know it. This one. O. Very good job. That is all for today. If you need to review these, go back through them, write them in your notebook. Go ahead. I will see you tomorrow.